In this video, I'll show you how to use 888 stars promo code. This is super easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to use a promo code in 888 stars, this is exactly what to do. To make the promo code effective, you're going to choose registration and take the option by email address. This is the only option that is going to allow you to use a promo code effectively. Now once you're here, choose your surname, your name and your email address, and please write those details correctly. Then you choose your currency or simply just change your country and the currency is also going to follow. Now once you're there, you're going to put in your phone number and create a password using these four requirements. And here are the four requirements for a good password on 888 stars. Once that's done, in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, 888 stars is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300 as bonus. Once that's done, hit these three boxes and click on register. Complete your email verification that comes next and your account is good to go. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.